Ever found yourself in a scramble trying to remember a friend's birthday last minute? We've all been there. But guess what? Apple Contacts has a fantastic feature that'll ensure you never forget another birthday again. In this video, I'll show how you can use this feature. So without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Then find the contact you want to remember the birthday of and then tap on it. After that, tap the edit button from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down a tad bit and tap on Add Birthday. Now add the birthday. Once you're finished with that, hit done from the upper right corner of the screen. From now on, you will be reminded of this contact's birthday. Easy, right? So guys, that's how you use the Apple Contacts to never forget someone's birthday on your iPhone. If the video provided to be useful, don't forget to smash that like button. Want more iPhone related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming your way. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care!